Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Ricardo wrote in with a question about setting up a trade on NinjaTrader and using a trailing stop. So I'm going to walk you through real quick how you would set that up in these ATM strategies. And if you don't have this portion on your chart, all you would do is go here to the chart trader and you would just click this chart trader to turn that on. So yours may be off, make sure it's on. Then you get this section over here. All right, then within ATM strategies, you're going to go to custom and you get to create your own. So we'll just make this one super simple. We'll just go a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So I'm going to go for 100 and 100. If we did that trade on this, the micro NASDAQ, that would be a $50 risk for a $50 potential gain. Like I said, just 1-to-1, we're keeping it very simple. I always put time in force as GTC. You can change your order quantity here. I usually set my parameter type as ticks, but they do have other options. If you want to use currency, percent, price, pips, etc., I use ticks. Okay, so now we've got this 1-to-1. So that means we'll have both our stop and our profit target. As for the trail, then you can do this. You'll just go to custom under the stop strategy. And here is where it says auto trail. We're just going to make it one step. And step one is the stop loss. So we're going to make it exactly the same as our initial loss, right? But then as soon as we hit profit, in other words, just one tick, it's going to start that trail. So that's all you need to do. I'm going to click OK. We're going to say OK here, and you can save it as a template if you want. If you want to name it something, go ahead and do that. But I'll show you how this plays out. All right, let's see what we think this thing is going to do. And I hope it does something. I don't care if I win or lose on this. Obviously, it's sim just for demo, but I would love to be able to show you the trail. So if it's looking like it's going to go back down, I will go short. If it's looking like it's going to go up, I will go long. All right, let's just give it a shot. To the downside, I shorted it, sold at the market, and you can see right here, my current risk is $50 and my profit target is $50. Like I said, this one is just a simple setup to show a 1-to-1. All right, I'm going to close that one out and see if we can get this market to move a little bit. Let's try to the long side. Okay, let's go. All right, yay, we got it. Okay, so as you can see here, this is trailing. I'm not doing anything. I'll actually take the cursor away. And if we can get more than like 50 cents to a dollar, yeah, all right, cool. We're up, a few bucks, and our trail is heading up with us, which is exactly what we want. So that is how to do it. Hope that is helpful. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.